Welcome to Data Science World, your guide to the future of tech. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge to extract valuable insights from data. It involves collecting, cleaning, analyzing, visualizing, and interpreting large amounts of data to solve real-world problems and support decision-making. From predicting customer behavior to recommending products, data science powers intelligent systems and innovations in nearly every industry. Hi! Why is data science important? In today's digital age, data is everywhere, generated by smartphones, websites, social media, sensors, and more. But raw data alone is useless without proper analysis. That's where data science comes in. It helps organizations make smarter data-driven decisions, understand customer behavior, improve business operations and performance, predict future trends and risks, power AI systems and automation. Whether it's healthcare, finance, e-commerce, or entertainment, data science is the driving force behind modern technology and innovation. Welcome to Data Science World, your go-to YouTube channel for everything related to data science, artificial intelligence, and computer science, explained in a simple, easy-to-understand way. On this channel, you'll find conceptual explanations of data science and AI, real-world applications and career guidance, in-depth videos on future scope, salary, and skills needed, beginner-friendly content without heavy coding. Whether you're a student, job seeker, or curious learner, this channel is made for you. The importance of data science. Data science helps convert raw data into meaningful insights for better decision-making. It enables businesses to understand customer behavior and market trends. Predictive models in data science help forecast sales, risks, and future outcomes. It powers recommendation systems used by platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon. Governments use it for smart city planning and policy making. It opens high-demand career opportunities in tech and analytics. In a data-driven world, data science is key to innovation and competitive advantage. In the next videos, we'll explore more exciting topics related to data science and computer science. From machine learning and AI to big data, cloud computing, and cybersecurity, there's so much to discover. We'll break down each concept in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you're a student or just curious, these topics will help you grow your tech knowledge. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.